my God.
Well, today we've got should be a quick video for you guys. We're actually doing a maintenance install today for a part that I feel like basically any BMW owner should have. As you guys see, we've got the BMW getting ready to go up on the lift. This part is an aluminum jack pad. Guys, I've been looking at doing this for quite some time. I actually was planning on doing just the plastic jack pads. I actually had some sitting in my AliExpress cart for a while, but then I came across these aluminum counterparts. Much better quality. This should outlast the life of your car. So I'm really excited about this. I actually reached out to Bevsine. I believe that's how you pronounce that. But they decided to partner with the channel, sent me out this set to review for you guys. So let's do this. I'm gonna jump over to the workbench and we'll show you guys what comes with the package and we'll get started on this install. All right guys, so you can see jack pads come in the kit. Of course, you're gonna have bolts and then looks like some O-rings here for this as well. All right, now it's ready for install. Okay, so we got the car on a ramp in the back so that we'll get access. And man, these pads are seriously chewed up. That's horrible. So I've got a couple pry bars here. I'm gonna get in here and see if I can't get these off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this done on camera, but I will be back here with you guys here in just a moment. Okay, so basically just use a pry tool to be able to pull that old jack pad out. And then you're going to use a 6mm socket here, or a 6mm Allen. We've got our locking tool that's actually already on here. So when we set this up into place, we're basically just going to twist this Allen that's going to allow us to lock it into position. There we go. She's locked into position. And as you can see, man, this jack pad has seen better days. So we definitely gonna be much more stable with this full aluminum unit. Very excited about that. All right guys, so as you guys can see, installation on this is pretty simple. And man, I tell you what, if your jack pads look anything like this, definitely something that you need to do. Guys, I'm actually at this point now looking over the way these jack pads look. I'm really thankful that I didn't have an issue, before replacing these, because these are pretty chewed up really bad. So this is definitely a maintenance upgrade that you need to do for your BMW. You guys make sure you head out to the website. I'm gonna put a link in the video description so you guys use that, as well as it does give you a coupon for 11% off, so make sure you take advantage of that. If this is your first time to the channel, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I wanna keep trying to bring this content for you guys. I do have a really cool update that's coming soon, so guys, make sure you stay tuned because I've got something that hopefully will get us some better times as far as quarter mile, and I like to start doing some dragging runs for you guys. But if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. You guys be safe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.